Think you know everything about your iPhone? Wait till you see these 3 hidden iOS tricks that Apple never told you about. These will save you time and blow your mind. Let's go. Or watch till the end. Trick number 1, remove object from screenshot. First, open your iPhone Photos app. Then scroll down. Then tap on media types. Then tap on screenshots. Then selected one screenshot. Then tap on hold subject. Then go to home screen using other's finger. Then put on the Photos apps over the app. And boom, your screenshot object is removed. Trick number 2, back tap for quick actions. First, go to settings on your iPhone. And scroll down. Then tap on accessibility. Then tap on touch. Then scroll down. Then click on back tap. Then click on double tap. Then selected one for quick actions. I want to select a notification center. And go to home screen. And double back tap your iPhone. Quick actions, my iPhone notification. Trick number 3, drag and drop text across apps. Fast open your Safari browser. Tap and hold the text. Press and hold on a word or sentence until it's selected. Drag the text. While still holding with one finger, use another finger to swipe up and open another app, like Notes, Messages, or Mail. Drop the text. Once the second app opens, release the held text where you want to paste it. If you want more hidden iPhone tricks, hit subscribe and stay tuned with 9 to 5 iOS.